Hello viewers, my name is Habibu Aminalong. I have with me my co-host Rabi'u Abu Safwan. Abu Safwan, welcome to our episode.
Thank you, malam. Thank you, viewers.
We need to give them some words that would add up on their stock of vocabulary. How many words do we have for our viewers today?
Okay, let us take 2 or 3.
Okay.
Let us take the word I. You know, I as a noun is a part of the sense organs.
Are you talking about E-Y-E?
Very good. E-Y-E.
Okay.
As a noun is a part of the sense organ that make us or give us ability to see something around us. And sometimes as a verb means that to look to someone or something. For example, if I put it in a sentence, I can say that Amina and Audu eyed each other. Eyed each other and parted ways.
So, Amina and Audu eyed each other.
Yes, and parted ways. They looked at each other and they just went away to different directions.
Okay.
Then let us take liability. If you take this word liability, is something or person that causes you problem.
Okay, liability.
Very good.
L-I-A-B-I-L-I-T-Y.
Yes.
Liability.
Yes. For example, let me put it in a sentence. After Audu lost his job, his friends see him as a liability.
After Audu lost his job, his friends saw him as a liability, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Then let us go to the next one.
The last one.
Yes, the last one. Untoward. Untoward is something unusual or unpleasant.
Okay, untoward.
Untoward.
U-N-T-O-W-A-R-D.
W-A-R-D, yes.
Untoward.
Untoward, yes.
Okay.
For example, I plan to go to Kaduna today, but something untoward came up.
I plan to go to Kaduna today, but something untoward came up today.
Yes.
Thank you. Abu Safwan, we thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you, malam.
You're welcome. Viewers, this is where we have come to the end of today's show. Thank you for watching.